You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? This surname of Gaelic origin. In standard English, British English, it's said as McMahon, McMahon. Some say it also as McMahon, McMahon. Now, in America, it's generally said as McMahon, McMahon. Yeah, that's how you say it, almost like a long R sound, McMahon or McMahon. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.